Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to review All Out Ultra Flashcards. So these flashcards acts instantly and provide relief from mosquitoes. So this is a pack of 10 cards. It will cost you rupees 10 only, and it comes in a booklet form, pink color cards. These cards are infused with mosquito repellent chemicals that acts on burning of this paper. To use, just tear one card and you need to fold it from between. Make it like this. Now take this card to the location where you want the protection. And I always keep this on a small plate to collect the leftover ash. So now light one end of the paper and immediately put out the flame. This paper will burn automatically within 1 minute. And you make sure that you switch off the fan and AC while it's burning, and also to keep the windows and doors open. Within 5 minutes you will see that mosquito starts falling. Literally you have to collect the mosquitoes and throw them away. Just sit back and relax. This flesh card do the work properly. It has a noticeable fragrance but not the unbearable one, and the downside is that this keep you protected for up to 4 hours. So this won't give you the protection for the whole night. Coming to the precautions, keep it away from the children's reach, and yes, you make sure that you wash your hands every time after you touch this product. So overall affordable one, just rupee 1 for card, and it's a nice product, very effective, very much recommended for daytime use because it gives 4 hours protection. So give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.